isolate the variable, undo by adding or subtracting, undo by multiplying or dividing, and always, always, always watch your signs. Our first equation is 4m plus 6 is equal to 17. Therefore, the first thing we must do is subtract our 6, leaving us 4m is equal to 11. Divide by 4 on both sides. M is equal to 11 fourths, or 2 and 3 fourths. Here we have negative 3 minus 2n equals 6. First thing we must do is add 3 to both sides. That will give us a negative 2n is equal to 9. Divide by negative 2. N is equal to negative 9 halves, or negative 4 and 1 half. As you can see here, once again, we have another equation. This time we have some decimals. Our operation is still the same. We are going to add 0.4 to both sides, which will give us 1.2. Q is equal to 0.6. Divide by 1.2. That will give us, remember, we have to go over here and do our division. We have 0.6, 1.2, move the decimal over 1. So therefore it's going to be here 6.0, so it's going to be 5.5 is equal to Q. Once again, we have decimals. We're going to subtract 1.8, which give us a negative 3n on this side. 1.8 subtracted from 0.3 would be a negative 1.5. We are going to divide by a negative 3. N 1.5 divided by 3 is a negative 0.5. Remember, 1.5. And there we go. Now we're going to enter one with a fraction. As we said, you want to clear all fractions. We have two different denominators. So this time I would suggest we multiply everything times 10. Times 10, times 10, times 10. Therefore, this will become a 2, this will become a negative 1. So we have a negative 2x plus 3 is equal to 10. If we have this, we would now subtract 3. Negative 2x is equal to 7. Divide by negative 2. X is equal to negative 7 halves, or negative 3 and 1 half. Once again, our next problem is we have 3, 12, and 6. I would multiply everything times 12. I'm going to write this one differently. 12 times x over 3 minus 7 over 12 times 12 is equal to negative 5, 6 times 12. These will cancel, making it 4x. Those will cancel. Minus 7 is equal to negative 10. Add 7. 4x is equal to negative 3. 4x equals negative 3. Divide by 4. X is equal to a negative 3 fourths. Once again, we have a fraction. We also have a whole number. This time I'm going to work it for you twice. The first time I'm going to clear the fraction, so I'd multiply everything times 3. Let's do negative 3 times negative 2/3. Let's just make that plus 3. plus 3 times 13, 3 times 5. Those will cancel. Negative 2x plus 39 is equal to 15. Subtract 39. Negative 2x is equal to negative 24. Divide by negative 2. X is equal to 12. As I said, we're going to do it 2 different ways. Negative 2/3 x plus 13 is equal to 5. Let's subtract 13. Negative 2/3 x is equal to negative 8. Multiply times the reciprocal. These will cancel. X is equal to, that's a 2, 1, 4, 12. X equals 12. So we get the same answer regardless of which way we do it. Remember, I've said you may do it either. Once again, we have 2 different denominators. I'm going to clear the fractions first. I will choose to multiply by 14. So negative 2/7 times 14k plus 6 over 7 times 14 is equal to negative 1 over 14 times 14. This will be negative 1 on this side. This will become 2, which is 2 times 6 is 12. Those will cancel, becomes 2. Negative 4x. Subtract 12. Negative 4x is equal to negative 1 minus 12. Same change. Negative 13 divide by negative 4. X is equal to negative 13/4. Let's see if we can do the same thing. We have 2 different ones, so we could do this. Negative 2/7 plus 6/7 is equal to negative 1/14. We know that this is k. Negative 2/7 k plus 12/14 is equal to negative 1/14. So we're going to subtract 14, 12/14, so negative 2/7 k plus 12/14 minus 12/14 would be just 2/7, which is going to be 1/14, negative 1/14 minus 12/14, which is negative 2/7 k is equal to negative 13/14. So we'd multiply times the reciprocal, and we would end up with negative 13/4. This time I will not eliminate the fractions. I'm just going to add 3/2. X over 4 minus 3/2 plus 3/2 is negative 8 plus 3/2. X over 4 is equal to negative 6 1/2. Multiply times 4. X is equal to 13 over 4 times 4 over 2, 1, 2. X is equal to negative 26. This time we must clear the fractions, so we're going to multiply everything times 3. Y minus 4 is equal to 27. Plus 4. Y is equal to 31. I hope you appreciate this and understand that these are all examples of how you can or